Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Aziz Hafiz. I am here serving in the Humanity First tent. I serve in Humanity First Disaster Relief. Humanity First, as the humanitarian wing of Jamaat Ahmadiyya, is here at Jalsa Salana to serve the guests of the Promised Messiah with varying cold drinks and cold shakes, but at the same time showing people where their hard-earned money is spent in far-off parts of the world, where there are disasters, where there is poverty, and where there is major humanitarian crisis.
And a message to the viewers?
God bless you all, and may you all benefit from those blessings that are attached to the Jalsa Salana of the Promised Messiah.